In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with Framer. We'll start in your Calendly dashboard. Find the event type you want visitors to book on your site. To access its sharing options, click the three dots next to that event. This opens a small menu with ways to share and embed your scheduler. Choose Add to Website. Calendly offers different embed styles. And for placing the scheduler right inside a page section, select Inline Embed. Inline places the full booking flow directly on your page rather than behind a button, which is great when you want people to see availability immediately without extra clicks. When the inline option appears, Calendly will generate a snippet for you. Click Copy Code. That copies the embed HTML to your clipboard, including a link to your specific event and the script that powers the widget. Now switch over to your Framer project. Open the page or section where you want the scheduler to live so it fits naturally within your layout. In the Framer interface, click the insert icon to add a new element. From the menu, hover over Utility to reveal more advanced building blocks. Choose Embed to add a container that can display external content. With the embed selected, look to the right-hand panel and set the type to HTML. This tells Framer you'll be pasting raw HTML rather than an external URL or code component. In the HTML field that appears, paste the code you copied from Calendly. As soon as you paste, Framer should render the scheduler in the canvas. If it looks cramped, resize the embed frame so the booking calendar has enough room to breathe. A taller frame helps to show the full date picker and time slots without extra scrolling. You can position this embed inside your existing layout, just like any other frame, so it blends seamlessly with your headings, descriptions, and calls to action. A quick note on design. Because the widget inherits space from its container, aligning it within a dedicated section often improves readability. Also, if your site uses a narrow column, consider making this section wider so the calendar grid doesn't feel squeezed. When you preview the page, you should see the same interactive Calendly flow your visitors will use, fully functional inside your Framer site. That's it. You selected your event in Calendly, chose Add to Website, picked Inline Embed, copied the code, and in Framer inserted an embed from Utility, set the type to HTML, and pasted the snippet. With that done, your site now offers a smooth on-page booking experience.